Don't let anybody deceive you that there is a particular supplement or medication that you need to take in order to detoxify your body and then remove toxic or waste substance from it. There is nothing like that. Your body has an inbuilt detoxifying system because inside your body, your liver breaks down any chemical or toxic substance that goes into your body. After that, your kidney will now filter your blood and then remove those waste substance through your urine. Even your digestive system can sometimes remove these waste substance through your stools or your feces. Even your skin helps with detoxifying your body. But there are also some natural ways in order to help your body detoxify itself. And that is what I want to share with you in today's video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Oskojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified always when I release a new video. Now, these are the natural ways in order to help your body detoxify itself. Number one is that you need to take water regularly. You need to drink water regularly because that helps your kidney in order to filter a lot of waste substance inside your body. Number two is that you need to reduce alcohol consumption because alcohol tends to stress your liver. And when your liver is being stressed, it is unable to detoxify or break down a lot of poisonous or waste substance, then that enter your body. Number three is that you need to have enough rest because whenever you rest, that is the optimum time for your brain to remove a lot of waste substance from itself. Because if your brain is unable to remove those waste substance, you will wake up feeling tired. Then also the next thing that you need to know is that you need to check your diet, what you eat. Because if what you eat isn't good enough, then it's going to affect your organs inside your body. You understand? Because our health is decisive of what goes into our body. You understand? Then the next thing you need to know is that we need to be very cautious of the kind of medications and supplements that we take. Always, if you feel unwell, you need to go to your doctor so that certain investigations and examination will be done. Then your doctor will prescribe the ideal medication for you. But if you resort to these supplements and these herbal preparation and all the medications that when you hear of that, oh, it's able to do this and that, then you go and purchase it. No, when you do that, that is going to alter this natural detoxifying system because and there will be a lot of toxic substance or waste substance that will be retained inside you. So there's a need for you to always consult your medical doctor in regards to certain kind of symptoms so that the ideal medication will be prescribed to you so that it will go a long way to help you. If you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video and then share this video to many people.